Hello guys! Now we will learn how to sell your land in EXGOLAND. First, go to the map and click on your land. You can either click Sell or click Show More and then click Sell. When you click Sell, you will be redirected to the EXGOLAND collection on MagicEden Marketplace. Click on your NFT and add your listing price. Here I will add 100, then click List. A pop-up will appear to pay a very small gas fee of about 0.002 Sol. Once done, you will see the total price the buyer will pay, which includes the royalty fees and the maker fee. Once you are done, you can search for the EXGOLAND collection in the search bar. Then you will find your listed NFT, and it will reflect in the EXGOLAND website for other EXGOLANDers to buy it. Thank you for watching.